Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 24, which is money. And in the previous class, we have learned how to compare the deals and say which is the better deal. Isn't it, children? So, in the second topic, we are going to learn about the profit and loss. So, you get profit or loss when you buy and sell the same thing to others. Okay. For example, if you have to know about profit, if you buy a thing for 500 rupees, your cost price is 500, cost price CB. You bought it for 500, so cost price is 500. And if the same thing you sell it for 600, selling price, you have sold it, selling it, SP, selling price is 600. That means you got 100 extra, isn't it, children? So that is your profit. Okay, so when you get a thing and sold it, if you buy a thing and sold it and you got the amount more than the amount you spent, is nothing but your profit. But if you bought a thing for 500 and you sold it for 400, that means 100 less you are getting, so that is loss. Okay, children. So you understood what is profit and what is loss. So we have some formulas to find the profit and loss. Okay, so let's see those formulas and then we will do the sums. Okay, so for example, if you take the profit case, when you bought a thing and sold it and you got profit, then how do you find? Is to find how much profit you got, then selling price minus cost price. See, when you bought a thing for 500 rupees, that is cost price, CP, cost price 500. When you sell it for 600, so selling price is 600. So 600 minus 500 is 100. So profit is equal to 100. You understood, children? The amount you got when you sell that thing minus the amount you spent on that thing, cost price, is profit. Okay, and if you have to calculate the profit when selling price and cost price is given, this is the formula: selling price minus cost price. For suppose they have given profit, they have given selling price, sometimes they don't give us cost price, or they'll give you profit and cost price, then they ask us to find the selling price. So in those cases, the formula is when profit and cost price is given, profit and cost price is given, then selling price SP will be equal to profit plus cost price. Okay, suppose they have given selling price and profit, you have to find the cost price, then cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, selling price minus profit. Do remember these formulas, children. It will be useful to do the sums easily. Okay, this is when you get profit. And when you will get profit, when selling price is more than cost price, isn't it? The amount you spent on the thing should be less when compared to the thing you sold it. Okay, that is, cost price is less than selling price. When you will get the profit? When selling price is more than cost price. So selling price means the amount you got when you sold that thing. Cost price is the amount you spent on the thing. Okay, children, don't get confused. When the selling price is more than the cost price, then you will get the profit. Okay, now let's see the loss. So when you will get loss? When selling price is less than cost price. So the amount you spent on the thing will be more when compared to the amount you got when you sell it. Okay, selling price will be less than the cost price. Okay, children. So the formulas will be: loss will be equal to cost price minus selling price, because the amount you spent on the thing is more. So selling cost price minus selling price, that will be your loss. Okay, and when cost price and loss is given, then how do you find the selling price? Selling price will be equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, and if loss and selling price is given, then cost price will be equal to loss plus selling price. Okay children, yes, you understood. So please remember these formulas children, profit formulas and loss formulas. So how do you understand when it is a profit or loss? See, you have to compare the selling price and cost price. When selling price is more than the cost price, when selling price is more than the cost price, then it is profit. If selling price is less than the cost price, then it is loss. Okay children, let's see the questions here. Find the profit or loss. So here you need to find whether a profit or loss for the given sums. Okay, so a board game costing 6,804 rupees is sold at rupees 6,850. Okay children, so here can you see 6,000, 6,800, 800, but here it is 50, here it is 4 rupees. So 4 rupees is more or 50 rupees is more? 50 rupees is more. What is this? Is it the selling price or a cost price? Selling price. Why? Because see, a board game costing 6,804 rupees. That means this is the cost price. Is sold. That means it is sold at rupees 6,008. So this is your selling price. So which is more? Selling price is more. Isn't it? Selling price is more means it is a profit. Isn't it? So you will write that only. So cost price CP is equal to 6,804 rupees and selling price equal to 6,850 rupees. Okay, now if you see which is greater, selling price is greater than cost price, then what you will get? It's a profit. How much profit? You will get it when selling price minus cost price, if you will do. Okay, so selling price, what is the selling price? 6,850 minus 6,804, which gives us how many rupees children? 6 rupees, 46 rupees, sorry, 46 rupees. So how much profit they got? 46 rupees they got. So therefore the profit equal to 46 rupees. Okay children, so in this way you need to find the sum. Okay, let's see another one. The cost of making one chair is rupees 3,600 rupees. The carpenter sells it for 2,600 rupees. So whether it is profit or loss children? So he sells he sells at 2,600 rupees. But how much did he spend on it? It is 3,600 rupees. That means this is your cost price and this is your selling price. Which is less? Selling price is less. That means it is a loss, isn't it? So you will write loss. So first cost price is equal to 3,600 rupees. Selling price equal to 2,600 rupees. That is here, which is greater? Cost price is greater. That means selling price is less than cost price. Then it is loss. And what is the formula for loss? Cost price minus selling price, isn't it? Cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 3,600 minus selling price 2,600. That becomes 1,000 rupees, isn't it? So loss he made is equal to, the carpenter got a loss of 1,000 rupees. So what you'll write? Therefore loss equal to 1,000 rupees. Okay children, so in this way you need to solve the sums. There are few more in your daily schedule. Copy it down in your class book. Okay, now coming to your homework, complete the volume book children. Volume book 3, page number 41, S2, profit and loss. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic children. See you in the next class. Bye.